Hey guys, it's your girl Francine and I'm back again with another DIY project for you. My friends had a beautiful baby girl, Graciela, and I decided to make this beautiful floral frame for her nursery. I loved how it turned out. It was actually my first time creating this, and I just wanted to share the process with you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, so I am filming with my phone and I'm doing a vlog style because I don't have time to set up lighting or anything like that. So this is a frame that I got from IKEA. It's 61 by 91. The full size, and then inside is 24 by 36. And then I have this foam board that, I forgot the size of it, I'll put it in the description. This fits perfectly in here. So, I have my flowers here I'm going to use. And I'll show you guys how I do that. And obviously, and I got my glue gun. I got my glue sticks from good old Dollarama. I also have this screwdriver here that I'm going to use to poke holes into the foam board. So let's get this project started. I'm going to separate the flowers from the stems. I have about 50 here. Already started on 2. So I have 48 more to go. I don't know where the other piece is here. So I'm going to separate those, and yeah. Alright, so I've removed all of them from the stem, and I'm about to place them strategically on the foam board here. So first, I'm going to take, I'm probably going to need a lot more flowers, to be honest, but I started off with 50. So first, I'm going to poke a hole here. So let's just see. We're going to start off, I don't like that one. So we're going to start here. So I like here. So I'm going to poke a hole here. Right, and then this is supposed to go in there. So I'm going to take my hot gun, and I'm going to, don't even play right now, put the glue down in there, and then I'm going to stick this in. Don't worry if it gets messy, it'll just dry on there. And I'll just follow a pattern. So I'm gonna put another one here. I'm just gonna try and make some sort of beautiful pattern and have them staggered out. So I'm just gonna put another hole here and put some glue in there, and then I'm gonna stick that in there. And I'm going to do that. I'm making a hole in the back. I'm not supposed to be doing that, but so this is how it looks so far. I'm working with a pattern, right? So I'm just like, I don't want to bunch all the pinks together. I think it'll look weird, so I'm just staggering them. So what I'm doing here is trying to make a pattern, like prior to like securing them down, and I'm opening up the flowers as well too. I'm sorry guys if it seems choppy, but I'm working with my hands and I'm also holding the camera in my hand, so please bear with me. So I'm just gonna open up the flowers so they're not too perfect. You know what I mean? So yeah. And I kind of want them to overlap a bit. So I'm just gonna finish that. So I'm trying to create a pattern so not too many of the same colors are sitting there. I think like you can't have an overkill of the pink, you know what I mean? Not too much pink in one place. I think that's cool. And then I'll just do the rest. This is what it looks like halfway done. So I'm just gonna finish the rest. So I'm just gonna continue filling in the holes and just placing them strategically until it creates a pattern. So this is what it looks like with the front finish. I still need to fill in the top. So I'm gonna fill in here and the sides. I probably will fill the bottom in too, but this is what it looks like. And then once all that is done, I'm gonna mount it to this frame, and then I'm gonna put the name across here. So you'll get to see the final project. This kind of worked out perfectly. So I told you guys that I wanted to put some smaller ones up here, up top, and I ran out of flowers because this is about, these big ones are about 100 of them, and then I have these little small ones. There's probably a few in between there, maybe around 15 or 20 of them. So then I went to Dollarama and got these small ones, and I'm gonna put those around the corner to fill them up. So I'm kind of just gonna do the same thing. I'm going to remove this like this. I'm gonna remove them from the stick. Some are easier to be removed than others are, but you guys get the point. And I'll just do that with the rest of them. And I picked these up from the dollar store. There are 7 that comes on it, which works perfect, and they're fine, so I can open them up, right? That's what I love about them. So I'm just gonna do the same thing that I was doing before. So I'm just gonna make a hole here and stick it in. All right, make a hole here. I measured it up and see where I want it. I'm gonna make a hole here. Okay, so make the hole. I'm gonna put the glue, and I'm gonna stick this in, same as before, like that. Okay, I didn't like it with the green stem, so I removed the green stem. And I basically just glued the bottom to it because it's loose. And I prefer that it kind of overlaps like this anyways. And I just glued it. That's kind of what I'm going to do. And kind of do the same thing and going across. So I remove this bottom piece. I'm going to try and show you guys. But this is hard to like do. It's challenging. So hold on. It's loose there. Right? I'm going to use the glue gun and I'm just going to glue them so they stay closed. And I like that it's a little bit open, right? And then I'm going to make the hole and stick it in. Okay, so you see I put the glue around it so that it could stick, so it won't fall apart. But I like that it's open and not so perfect. You know what I mean? Because going around the edges, I like that it overlaps. So I'm gonna do that with all of these. Nutshell, this is what they look like without that extra green plastic thing at the bottom. That makes it look cheap. I prefer it without because it doesn't look as tacky. You know what I mean? Product. I have my lazy daughter holding the camera.
Go.
So this is the finished product. Okay, so it looks better when it goes out to the corner. Anyways, so this is what the board looks like with all the flowers on. So The dollar store ones I bought look amazing. So I made it curved to the edge, so when it goes onto the frame, you can't tell where it begins and ends. Isn't that pretty? I think so. All right. Anyways, so I got this from Dollarama. It's the mounting squares. So I'm going to mount the squares to the back of the frame. It doesn't really matter how I turn the frame anyways, but it's gonna hang here. So, and I'm gonna leave this plastic thing on because it's gonna help in that regard. So I'm going to mount the squares. I'm gonna mount these to the back, and I think I'm going to put 9. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But I think I'll put 2 rows in the middle. So I have 12 of them back here, and I'm going to mount them. Can you hold this, please? Okay, so you have to kind of just gauge. There's no real measurement here, and just place it once it's kind of centered. And I think that's good. And then you kind of just push it down, force it down where you have the tape. See, you can hear them sticking down. That's what I like. Okay. So I think that's good. After all is said and done, and you see the importance of doing the flowers on the side, because then it just looks like one complete bouquet of square flowers. Yay! I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's mounted. Okay, thank you. Okay, so guys, this is what it's gonna look like when it's mounted to the wall. This is the baby's name. It's not mounted as yet, so isn't it pretty? Hey guys, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel, and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. I just want to know what you guys think about this, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next one.